Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom watered down, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to give a lesser version of something. The group are effective when they work together, but one guy believes he is being held back. I like working in groups, but I always end up having to compromise and water down the final product just to make everyone happy. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. They are speaking about how he broke up with his girlfriend. So, how did you tell her? I gave her a watered-down version of the truth. I just couldn't face the tears. The detectives are grilling the suspect. Tell us the truth. And we don't want a watered-down version either. We want every single detail. The government decided on rewriting a legislation. We need to water this down. There's no way the public will accept it the way it is. Here are some further examples for professional situations. At the senior management meeting, the director explained in no uncertain terms that staff needed to improve or be fired. It's a disgrace. And when you are explaining this to your teams, do not give them a watered-down version of what I've said here today. The supervisor is tasked with firing a staff member. Unfortunately, they are friends too. I really don't want to do this, but the best way to deliver it is to water the truth down. I don't want to just come out and tell them that they have been doing a terrible job. The client has changed their mind about going into business with them. Look, guys, I won't water this down. We've gone to another supplier. They've outdone you tenfold. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.